We're here with the man himself.
What up, what up?
In Netflix's fastest car, y'all. We are in the fastest car. We about to go for a ride. So, let's get it.
Is it a strength?
Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets. Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets.
Like, comment, subscribe, rock with your boy. Let's get it.
I know you like sounds and shit.
Oh yeah,
so
you already know. I love the sounds.
While we're warming it up, I'll put it in the tune. Make some noise. You coming out tomorrow night?
Yes, sir. I'll be here.
That's what's up.
If y'all don't know, this is Justin from Atlanta Custom Wraps. He's a guy that does all my cars, wrap jobs and everything. Best in the game, killing the game. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna continue to kill the game. We are in his McLaren 720S. How much you making? Was that a secret?
This tune right here is at about 820.
820 to the wheel in this McLaren. It's gonna be a rocket on pump fuel. It's about to be a rocket, y'all.
We'll
So,
turn it up to 950 and
oh yeah, because you can adjust the tune and all that stuff.
Yep, all on the stop.
All right, so this first run is gonna be on the 800.
Yeah.
Shit! That first pull was crazy. I didn't even get a reaction. Y'all hear that? She popping like crazy. She popping like crazy. Oh! Ooh! Ooh, and she stopped on a dime too. God damn.
Yeah, so now we got a little bit of heat in it.
Oh, he about to turn it up, y'all.
We'll turn it up one notch.
I'm nervous.
I ain't nervous.
Because that first pull was crazy.
I ain't died yet.
Oh, yeah, it's true. It's true.
And I guess we only died once.
And we got straight away. Gee. This man lives for this, y'all.
What'd you think about that?
Man, that was crazy. That was what? You put it on what?
I ain't even fucking.
He ain't even
that
shaking
ain't
this
even
nothing.
Shit. That's on tune too.
That's craziness. Y'all have no idea
How that shit feels.
how this shit feels. Oh shit.
I think we only hit like 140, 150.
Wow, he said 140, 150 only. See how fast that stopped? Golly.
People don't get that shit, man.
Nah,
the
the stopping is just as bad.
Yeah. Yo.
Woo.
Yeah.
Can you hit donuts in it with these tires?
I can, but I won't. They hard to get.
Yeah.
And I use that shit. Those were whips and donuts.
Y'all should feel my heart right now. And that was only a little 2-minute ride, but I love it.
Man.
I'm in love. I'm gonna have to give me one of these one day.
You're gonna have to go up to the Dragon with me and hit some 9 minutes of turns.
I don't know if I want to do that, but
Yeah.
I'm down. I'm
set you down. You be ready to throw up on turn 3.
Man, this shit right here is crazy. Oh. Woo! Yes, sir.
What you think?
That was it. Yeah, that was it. I definitely don't want to go to the drag with you just from those few turns right there.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
The cool thing is that, like, if we get it out on the highway one of these days soon, but the car pulls harder from like 120.
Damn.
Up
120. The car pulls harder than when it's.
than what we just did.
My heart beating so hard right now, y'all.
When those turbos pull up.
Man.
And we can run this bitch like that all the way to California.
Really? With no problem.
No problem at all.
That's
it didn't
crazy.
Even get hot. It's just now at 190.
Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the beast real quick. Omega is the name. Y'all better get to know it. Man, oh man, she is definitely, she's definitely something.
I ain't never left a car like that.
Definitely something. Y'all see? Y'all recognize the blue? Y'all recognize the blue? Yep.
If y'all come out to the show tomorrow, you're gonna see my new car. I ain't showing no.
You got a new car? Man, this man just said he got a new car. I didn't even know about it. That's crazy. Y'all heard the police? They looking for us.
We are parking out the car. Too late.
They too late. But yeah, make sure y'all follow this man, Justin Norton, Atlanta Custom Wraps. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and rock with your boy.